The connection between the Mediterranean diet and heart health, what science says. The Mediterranean diet has long been celebrated for both its delicious flavors and its potential health benefits. But what does science have to say about its impact on heart health? In this video, we delve into the connection between the Mediterranean diet and heart health, exploring the scientific research and evidence that supports its positive impact. Understanding heart health and its importance. Before we dive into the specifics of the Mediterranean diet and its impact on heart health, let's first understand why heart health is so important. The heart is a vital organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to all the organs and tissues. Maintaining a healthy heart is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Heart disease, also known as cardiovascular disease, refers to a range of conditions that affect the heart and blood vessels. It is a leading cause of death worldwide, and various factors contribute to its development, including poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, smoking, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, and obesity. Given the significant impact of heart disease on global health, finding ways to prevent and manage it is of utmost importance. This is where the Mediterranean diet comes into play. The science behind the Mediterranean diet and heart health. The Mediterranean diet is a traditional eating pattern that reflects the dietary habits of people living in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea. It is characterized by an abundance of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and olive oil, while limiting processed foods, red meat, and added sugars. Numerous studies have shown that following a Mediterranean-style eating pattern can lower the risk of heart disease. The diet's emphasis on nutrient-dense foods provides a wealth of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can support heart health. One of the key components of the Mediterranean diet is its focus on healthy fats, such as the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil. These fats have been shown to help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels, all of which are crucial for heart health. Additionally, the diet is rich in fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and promote a healthy digestive system. Key components of the Mediterranean diet. To better understand how the Mediterranean diet can benefit heart health, let's take a closer look at its key components. Fruits and vegetables. The Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of a variety of fruits and vegetables, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Whole grains. Whole grains like whole wheat, brown rice, and oats are an essential part of the Mediterranean diet. They provide fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels and promote heart health. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. They can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Olive oil. Olive oil is a staple in the Mediterranean diet and is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to have numerous heart protective benefits. It can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fish and seafood. The Mediterranean diet encourages the consumption of fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids have been shown to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Moderate consumption of dairy products. The Mediterranean diet includes moderate amounts of dairy products, such as yogurt and cheese, which provide calcium and other essential nutrients. However, it is important to choose low-fat or fat-free options to minimize saturated fat intake. Limited red meat. Red meat is limited in the Mediterranean diet, with the focus being on lean proteins like poultry and fish. This helps reduce saturated fat intake, which can contribute to heart disease. Moderate consumption of red wine. While not necessary for everyone, moderate consumption of red wine is a common part of the Mediterranean diet. Red wine contains antioxidants, such as resveratrol, which may have heart protective effects. However, it is important to consume alcohol in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any specific health concerns. By incorporating these key components into your diet, you can start reaping the heart-healthy benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Research studies supporting the connection between the Mediterranean diet and heart health. The connection between the Mediterranean diet and heart health is supported by a wealth of scientific research. Let's explore some of the key studies that have investigated this relationship. The PREDIMED study. The PREDIMED study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, found that individuals who followed a Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil or mixed nuts had a significantly lower risk of major cardiovascular events compared to those following a low-fat diet. The study involved over 7,000 participants at high risk of cardiovascular disease. The Lyon Diet Heart Study. This landmark study, published in Circulation, investigated the effects of a Mediterranean-style diet on heart health. The study found that participants who followed the Mediterranean diet had a 50–70% reduction in the risk of recurrent heart attacks compared to those following a standard low-fat diet. This study provided strong evidence for the cardiovascular benefits of the Mediterranean diet. The Nurses' Health Study. A large-scale study conducted among female nurses in the United States found that adherence to a Mediterranean-style eating pattern was associated with a lower risk of coronary heart disease. The study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, followed over 74,000 women for more than 20 years. These are just a few examples of the many studies that have demonstrated the positive impact of the Mediterranean diet on heart health. The consistent findings across different populations and study designs provide strong evidence for the effectiveness of this dietary pattern in reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Health benefits of the Mediterranean diet beyond heart health. While the Mediterranean diet is well known for its heart protective effects, its benefits extend beyond cardiovascular health. Here are some additional health benefits associated with the Mediterranean diet. Weight management. The Mediterranean diet is naturally low in saturated fats and added sugars, making it an effective eating pattern for weight management. The emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods and portion control can contribute to healthy weight loss and weight maintenance. Cancer prevention. The Mediterranean diet's focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats provides a wide array of antioxidants and phytochemicals that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Several studies have found that adherence to the Mediterranean diet is associated with a reduced risk of various types of cancer, including breast, colorectal, and prostate cancer. Improved cognitive function. Research suggests that the Mediterranean diet may help protect against cognitive decline and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's disease. The combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds in the Mediterranean diet may support brain health and cognitive function. Reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Following a Mediterranean-style eating pattern has been linked to a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The diet's emphasis on whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. These additional health benefits make the Mediterranean diet a well-rounded approach to overall well-being and disease prevention. Tips for adopting the Mediterranean diet. If you're interested in adopting the Mediterranean diet, here are some tips to help you get started. Emphasize fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal. Choose a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Switch to whole grains. Replace refined grains with whole grain options like whole wheat bread, brown rice, quinoa, and oats. These provide more fiber and nutrients compared to their refined counterparts. Include legumes. Incorporate legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas into your meals. They can be added to salads, soups, stews, or used as a protein source in vegetarian dishes. Use olive oil. Replace unhealthy fats like butter and margarine with olive oil for cooking and dressing. Choose extra virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits. Increase fish consumption. Aim to have at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Bake, grill, or steam the fish for a heart-healthy meal. Moderate alcohol consumption. If you choose to consume alcohol, do so in moderation. For women, this means up to 1 drink per day, and for men, up to 2 drinks per day. Stay active. Physical activity is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine for optimal heart health. Remember, adopting a new dietary pattern takes time and effort. Start by making small changes and gradually increase your adherence to the Mediterranean diet. Experiment with new recipes and flavors to make the transition enjoyable and sustainable. Common misconceptions about the Mediterranean diet and heart health. Despite the growing popularity of the Mediterranean diet, there are still some misconceptions that need to be addressed. Let's debunk a few common myths. It's all about olive oil. While olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, it is not the only factor that contributes to its health benefits. The overall dietary pattern, including the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, plays a significant role in promoting heart health. It's an expensive diet. While some Mediterranean diet staples like olive oil and fresh seafood can be pricey, there are many affordable options available. Focus on seasonal fruits and vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, which are often budget-friendly. Additionally, buying in bulk and planning meals in advance can help reduce costs. It's only for Mediterranean countries. The Mediterranean diet is not limited to individuals living in Mediterranean countries. It is a flexible eating pattern that can be adopted by people around the world. The key is to incorporate the principles of the Mediterranean diet into your daily life, regardless of your geographical location. Integrating the Mediterranean diet into your lifestyle. Now that we've discussed the science, benefits, and tips for adopting the Mediterranean diet, it's time to explore how you can integrate this eating pattern into your lifestyle. Start with small changes. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 Mediterranean-inspired meals into your weekly meal plan. Gradually increase the number of meals until the Mediterranean diet becomes your default eating pattern. Experiment with new recipes. Explore Mediterranean cuisine and try out new recipes that feature fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. There are countless online resources, cookbooks, and food blogs dedicated to Mediterranean cooking. Get creative with flavors. Experiment with herbs, spices, and seasonings to add flavor to your dishes without relying on excessive salt or unhealthy condiments. Fresh herbs like basil, oregano, and rosemary can elevate the taste of your meals. Make it a family affair. Involve your family or housemates in the process of adopting the Mediterranean diet. Cook together, share meals, and support each other in making healthier choices. Seek professional guidance. If you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions, it is advisable to consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and guidance tailored to your individual needs. Conclusion and final thoughts. The Mediterranean diet offers a delicious and nutritious approach to supporting heart health. The scientific evidence supporting its benefits is robust, with numerous studies demonstrating its positive impact on heart disease prevention and management. By following the key components of the Mediterranean diet, such as consuming fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats like olive oil, you can take proactive steps towards improving your heart health. Additionally, the Mediterranean diet offers a range of other health benefits, including weight management, cancer prevention, improved cognitive function, and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Remember, adopting a new dietary pattern is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. Start by making small changes, experiment with new recipes, and seek support from loved ones or professionals. With time, the Mediterranean diet can become a sustainable and enjoyable way of nourishing your body and protecting your heart.